Hi there, my name is Ted, and today I want to talk to you about some important things called SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Now, you might be wondering what these strange terms mean, but don't worry. I'm here to explain them to you in a way that even a second-grade student can understand. First, let's start with SPF. SPF stands for Sender Policy Framework. Imagine you're receiving a letter from a friend. Before you open it, you want to make sure it's really from your friend and not someone pretending to be them. SPF helps with that. It's like a special stamp that your friend puts on the envelope to prove that they are the true sender of the letter. This stamp tells you that the letter is not fake or modified. Now let's move on to DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail. DKIM is like a secret code that your friend puts inside the letter to confirm their identity. It works together with SPF to make messages even more secure. When you see the DKIM code, you can be certain that the message is really from your friend and hasn't been tampered with along the way. Finally, let's talk about DMARC, which stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance. DMARC is like a superhero that uses both SPF and DKIM to protect your email inbox from bad guys. It sets strict rules for how emails should be handled if they fail the SPF or DKIM tests. It can block suspicious emails from reaching you or put them in a special folder so you can check them later. So, to sum it all up, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are all about making sure that emails you receive are genuine and haven't been changed by anyone. They work together to protect you from phishing attacks or receiving spam emails. Just like how we use locks on our doors to keep our homes safe, these three technologies help keep your email safe and secure. Do you want to learn more? You're in the right place. Don't hesitate to talk to us. Thank you for watching.